Alrighty. Greetings, interweebs, and welcome back to the studio. Let's see here. For those of you watching on YouTube, we are going to get back to our drawing of Talon. We haven't made a ton of progress yet, but we're getting there. I haven't had a lot of time to do a lot of research on posing, so you'll have to excuse me. My pose is probably going to be garbage for the duration of this video, but I will work it and rework it until it molds into something that is precious and usable. Until then, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you translate the text below, you will get cool metal cutouts of anime stuff. What else? There's one more thing I wanted to say. Right, hop on over to the Discord if you haven't done it already, because Discord gets all kinds of cool updates that nobody else does, and if you're not on Twitch yet, hop on over there and hit follow, because they get a whole bunch of content you do not on YouTube. YouTube may or may not get some content that Twitch does get, or does not get, but the majority of the YouTube content is coming from Twitch and happens way earlier on Twitch than it does on YouTube. Plus, there's a whole bunch of stuff between the edits that YouTube is never going to see. So hop on over there and hit the follow button if you would like to see all kinds of zany things like that. And I think that's everything I have to say for the moment. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and hit the go button. I will see you in the content in that direction over that way. Oh. I'll see you in the content. Alright, here we go. We're trying to put clothes on Talon. Well, Eraser Sir won't do it. At least not yet. And I get the hiccups. How glorious is that? Something along those lines will do. Maybe put that there. No. I think it looks better that way. Yeah, that'll be fine. Just trying to get a little bit of character in there. Probably erase a little bit of that since I'm trying to do something more like that. Oops. No, still think it needs a little. Nope, still looks wrong to me. Maybe we'll just leave it like that. I mean, we still have to erase this. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't know if that works, but we'll try it. I don't know. Maybe I need to make the shirt bigger. Let's try from the other angle now. Hmm. Instead of doing that, I'm gonna have to look up a reference of someone tugging on a bed sheet for that part. My guess is it looks something like this. Maybe get rid of that. That's a little better. Still not entirely sure how to approach that last part, though. Oop. Oh, I should probably go back in here and do the full screen. There you go. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, the previous video is in that direction. The next one is over in that direction. So if you haven't seen the previous one, go ahead and pop in there. And if you have, hop into the next one if it's available. Subscribe is going to be right over there. And if you translate the text below, you get cool anime cutouts made of metal. It's gonna be neat. Better hurry though. We got people who are trying to do it, and they're close. They're this close. So get on that if you want to learn some Japanese with me. What else? Hop on down in the Discord below, and you can join the community. Get updates whenever we stream. Get a whole bunch of interaction with the community. Maybe actually input stuff on the stream, so that'll be cool. And if you haven't done it already, please hit the Twitch, hit follow on Twitch for certain. Twitch is where all these drawing videos come from. Everything gets streamed there before it hits YouTube, so it comes way before it hits YouTube, and there's a whole bunch of extra material on Twitch that it will never be on YouTube. So definitely hop on over there. Just to let you know, because things disappear within 14 days on Twitch, if you don't hit the Twitch before that 14-day period on some of these videos, what's going to happen is some of that exclusive material is going to disappear forever and you'll never get to see it. So definitely hop on over to Twitch. It is a time sensitive thing. I wouldn't say it's super urgent. Some of the material is probably not worth saying, but if you want to see it, you want to see those great conversations, kooky situations, and deep, heartfelt speeches or conversations and junk, very philosophical situations, whatever the word is, then head on over to Twitch before that stuff goes bye-bye. Okay, anyway, that's enough rambling from me. One last reminder to like, share, subscribe, follow on Twitch, and join the Discord. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hasta la bye-bye.